Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Honor 200 Pro and I want to show you how to see available random access memory on this device. Our first step to do that is opening Settings application, where we must activate our develop mode. To do that, scroll down and choose About Phone selection. In it we have build number. Now we must tap sometimes to activate our develop mode and confirm it entering our look screen, but I have opened it. When we activate it, go back to the main menu of your settings, where we choose System and Updates, and there we have new option, developer options. We tap there and there memory. Now we have information about our available random access memory there. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.